Welcome to a completely snowed in Cape Cod. Now, when it comes to snow totals, the Cape has nothing on the Syracuse area, not even in a blizzard, but you can't imagine the winds. We're in the 24th hour of this 30-hour event on the coast. I'll put my stuff on and we'll go check the yard. Here we go. Let's grab this broomstick and take a look around. See? Grass. What's the big deal? That must look familiar to Central New Yorkers. Let's take my broomstick and see. It's kind of deep here. To my knees, but up here I think it's to my hips. That's the reason I couldn't get out. I will put this broom there. It's like somebody splashed wet snow on the back of the house. There you have it. Cape Cod. All about the beaches and the blizzards.